and are pieces that are not garbage, and are cannot. I tennis and I take your dance. This is bad. And I crazy this $4 million. And there is a crazy. This is 621 and 100 pieces are things. And things are $700. And okay. What? Are you crazy? Then I can create and some of my 220. Yes. These are counts and minutes I know. This is it. And our pieces you like to be a good and 4x4 cubes are there. Oh, and there's a very bad. Okay, $421. $76,122. And there are Rubik sensors. And there are common keys. And for analysis, like and subscribe to the like and the Korean keynotes and Korean keynotes. And alright, this is a battle of the can and skid builds and hello.